How to find your card number on the Bank of America application. The first things first is that you just have to make sure that your Bank of America app is updated to the latest version. Just head directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and look for Bank of America. And from there, you should be able to know if your Bank of America is updated to the latest version is because the update button is not going to be visible after installing the app. The next thing to do is access the application and log in using your user ID and as well as your password. Now for you to be able to get or check out your account number or your card number is very easy. So first is log in into the app, open the Bank of America application and log in using your credentials or your biometric authentication. Now navigate to your accounts. On the home screen, you'll see a list of your accounts and then just select the account linked to the card you want to view. Now under Access Card Management options, within the account view, you just have to look for an option just like Manage Card or Card Details. Now in those sections, you will able to find your card number, and that's it. That's how you find your card number on the Bank of America app.